Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. And ever since iOS 14 has been released, of course, I've been playing around with a lot of third-party widgets on my home screen or any other page on my iPhone and trying out to find some cool, interesting ones. And I think I found one awesome, cool widget that you maybe have not heard of and that is probably very, very useful for you to have installed on your home screen setup. And that widget is called Favorites. So Favorites is an awesome free app you can go and download right now in the App Store. And the whole point of Favorites is to add your favorite contacts to your home screen. So the app comes with three widgets that you can download. It comes for up to one contact, four contacts, or 9 contacts at the max. So you could choose how many contacts you want to add onto your home screen. So of course, I really like the one with the one favorite contact. So maybe you have a special family person or a special other someone. You could add that person to the home screen, or of course you can add your friends and everything if you want to have the top 4 right now. So yeah, it's just really cool. And you can quickly access it, of course, from the home screen and have options. But what I like about this app is also it gives you options for your contacts. So let's say you want to edit the widget. And then of course when you go to edit the widget, you can actually change the contacts from there. So if you don't want a person on that widget, you can change it to a different contact right there as well. Or you can also change the action, which is really cool. So you could either have it to a call or text. And of course, for most of it, it's pretty much text for a lot of people, but maybe you have somebody that you call a lot, so you could quickly just change the action and have it to call instead of having it to text, which is really cool. Now, like I said, the app is free to download, so there's no in-app purchase. The only in-app purchase is for tips for the developer. So if you want to tip the developer, you can, of course. And then, of course, there's you could change the color of the widget. So, of course, the green background is like the default version, of course. And then you have the system background. So, of course, right now, my system version is black, but it also has white right now. So let's change it. And then that's how it looks, of course, when I change it to white. So let's go back to dark mode. And so yeah, it's just really awesome. Like I said, it's a free app and it's just really awesome. And it's probably a widget that will really be useful to a lot of people. It's certainly been really useful to me because I can add my favorite contact person that I contact the most right now onto the home screen, or also of course add some few of my favorite people that I like to communicate with a lot onto the other widget as well, without having to open the contacts page to find that person or to call them and all that stuff. So yeah, it's a very hidden widget, this app. Like, it's super hidden. Like, people probably don't even know this app exists, and it's just really awesome that I had to make a video about it to share it with you guys. So yeah, that's favorites for you guys. It's a free app. You can go download into the to the App Store right now, and add your favorite contacts onto your home screen with the Favorites widget app. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course, because that does help a lot. And that's it for now. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace